Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.94. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 71.02% since we first designated D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.74% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, with indications of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 93.56% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 6.96% to 120.33%. In terms of a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 166.16%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 12.81% and 190.20% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $20.10 and $51.71. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for D-Wave Quantum Incorporated. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price gained 0.792% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, rising from $17.68 to $17.82. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.12%, with a low of $17.15 and a high of $18.20. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 5 of those days, showing a rise of 7.61% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, resulting in a total of 53 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $945,310,000. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, which may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $19.77, while the lowest price was 75 cents. Currently, the price is 9.84%, or $1.95, below the 52-week high of $19.77, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. D-Wave Quantum, trading under the symbol QBTS, has recently made headlines, experiencing a staggering 1,281% surge after demonstrating real-world quantum supremacy with its Advantage 2 system. This breakthrough in solving complex problems positions D-Wave at the forefront of enterprise computing solutions, leading to increased investor interest and the potential for sustained growth. In addition to this remarkable leap, historical trends suggest that quantum computing stocks, particularly QBTS, are poised for substantial long-term gains, with shares having jumped over 1,154% in the past year. D-Wave exemplifies the potential within the tech sector to create significant wealth for investors. The recent acquisition of QBTS shares by the second-largest United States pension fund, along with notable investments from prominent figures like billionaire Israel Englander, signals strong institutional confidence in the company's direction. This institutional backing can create upward momentum for the stock, attracting retail investors and further inflating its price. Moreover, given the challenging market conditions in 2025, where the S&P 500 has struggled, D-Wave's ascent stands out as quantum computing continues to outmaneuver overall market volatility. In the short term, this mix of transformational technology and institutional support positions QBTS for continued price appreciation. Long term, as quantum computing becomes more mainstream, the stock may further capitalize on its early mover advantage, making it an enticing prospect for investors looking to gain from technological advancements. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, B. Riley again rated QBTS as a buy with an initialized recommendation. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, Needham issued a buy rating for QBTS, accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler rated QBTS as overweight with a hold recommendation. Also, on that day, Benchmark gave QBTS a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal noted from the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $17.19 and $11.21. A decline below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during a last trading day despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 6.41%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 77 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 150 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $17.55. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.05 between its high and low, which is a change of 6.12%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 8.93%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies may go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, The upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 7th day of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at negative 0.0575. Be sure to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $18.80. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $17.55. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Diane Guillen, who bought and sold 144,017 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 30.343. Overall, insiders purchased 45,739,834 shares and sold 87,114,739 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17, reflecting a decline of 4.58%. This stock experiences substantial daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, June 5th, we expect D-Wave Quantum to open lower by approximately 10 cents and begin trading at $17.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to be responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.